Ready to see how smart technology is making workplaces safer than ever? Let's dive into the world of computer vision monitoring. Hey, did you forget something? Our computer vision system didn't. The moment someone enters a high risk area without a hard hat, an instant alert is sent to the safety team. So, even if you are in a rush, your safety never takes a backseat. Feeling a bit cramped, a system notices that too. When too many people gather in a restricted area, an alert is triggered, ensuring the workplace stays safe and within capacity limits. No more squeezing in where you shouldn't be. Think of this as your visible security guard. If someone crosses the boundary where they shouldn't, bam, an alert goes out, keeping unauthorized access in check, ensuring only the right people are in the right places. Watch out! Forklifts on the move. Our system tracks forklift operations and sends an alert if there is any risky maneuvering or unexpected presence in the forklift zone. It's like having a safety co-pilot on every shift. Machines are powerful but can be dangerous too. Our monitoring system ensures machines operate within the safe parameters. If something goes off track, an alert is immediately sent out. It's like having a safety shield around every piece. Who's sneaking around? Our system catches intruders in real time. Any unauthorized entry and an alert is sent out faster than you can say security. Rest easy knowing that your workplace is always under watchful eyes. With computer vision, safety isn't just a priority, it's a guarantee.